The topic of the day is justice delayed is justice denied. This phrase is used to emphasize the importance of timely and efficient delivery of justice. Where legal system fails to provide justice on time is equivalent to no justice. According to National Judicial Data Grid, the average pendency for criminal cases in district and subordinate courts in India is 22.5 years. For example, Nirbhaya case took 8 years from 2012 to 2020. Bhabri Devi is still waiting for 30 years. The data shows out of 5 crore cases in district court, 4.3 crore cases are still pending, which is 85%, and where for 50% government is litigant. Now let us see the reasons behind it. First is low ratio of judges, that is 21 judges per million population, but the ideal ratio should be 50 judges per 10 lakhs. According to J.B. Kripal, in lower court, a judicial official presides over 80 cases per day on an average, out of which 70 are adjourned. And the second reason is availability of evidence. Less evidence delayed the justice. Impacts. For impacts, the cost of justice increases. Victim suffered, criminal wanders freely without any fear. It reduces the trust on judiciary, which lead to the social problems like mob lynching, honor killing, suicides, etc. The way forward for timely judgment or for timely justice, I prefer all stakeholders should come together, be it petitioner, victim, advocates, litigant or police. The combination of all can promote timely judgment. Already some initiatives have been taken in our society. For example, speedy trials have been given for the serious criminal offence like rape, etc. Government has amended the constitution that has set up tribunals, for example, National Green Tribunal, Central Administrative Tribunal and so on. Lok adalats, arbitrations can be promoted so that the burden of court can be reduced by out of the court settlement. Thank you.